This video I'm going to show you how to use a scheduler inside of the SMS gateway system. The scheduler is useful for sending mass SMS that occur on a future date. So I'm going to click on scheduler. Now on this settings here, this is the older scheduler. The training I'm going to provide is for the newer scheduler, as this is antiquated and eventually going to be removed from the system. So I'm going to go to settings here, go to my scheduler settings, click on new scheduler, click on save. Now I'm going to go back to my scheduler, and I think I got to log out and log back in. Yep, after logging out and back in, I can now see my newer scheduler. To schedule an appointment for a future date, pick on the date in the future when you want to send the mass SMS. We can choose what color it's going to appear inside of our scheduler by simply just picking on the color in our color picker. Click on the button, and now it saves the BG color hex code. In the title of our event, next we want to choose our SMS templates. Now this option here allows us to choose one of the templates that we created in our mass broadcasting system that we created earlier and showed you in a previous video. If you don't want to use one of those templates, just leave it as none and create your own message. Next, you want to choose, we want to send this as an SMS or voice. I want to send this as an SMS, but you do have the option to do the robo voice. Next, we want to determine which list we want to send this mass SMS in the future to. If we choose a super list, it'll send to all the campaigns inside of our system if we are an admin. If you are a client, if you send to super list, it'll send to all the campaigns inside of your system. But to segregate it to just one campaign, just click on Test Campaign. Next, we want to choose the numbers. If we only want to send it to one person, we can do that. But I want it to go to everybody in that list. And now I want to choose the time that it goes out. In this case, I want it to go out at 5 p.m., which is 1700 hours military time, on the 20th of January 2015. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on Save. And now my event's been created. We can sort through our scheduler by clicking on the month, the week, or the day, even picking on today. To access or change an older automatically created, previously created scheduler event, just double click it and you can change anything you want and click on save. Just make sure you do it before the event has already occurred. After your event inside of your scheduler has been sent via mass SMS, you better come in here and see the status of how many were sent and the date it was sent at the very top here, and it'll appear in red. This concludes the training on using the scheduler inside of the SMS gateway system.